Good evening, Mama Galán here. Today I'm going to show you how to make chile for tamales. The first thing you need to do is you need to soak the chiles, and you are to buy chile pisado or chile ancho. Once it's soaked for about maybe 8 to 12 hours, you're going to take out the seeds, most of the seeds, and boil them. Once you let it cool for about 15-20 minutes, you're going to blend it in the mixer or a blender. Make sure you put some water when you are blending it. Once you finish blending it, it will look like this. Let it cool down and put it in containers and put it in the freezer. It actually will last up to 1 year. One more thing, this is optional, but I always use whole cloves when I'm grinding or blending the chile. That way it's ready when I prepare my tamales. I also use this chile for menudo or for mole, or you can use it for any Mexican recipe that you would like. Thank you for watching the video. Enjoy the recipe. Be sure to like and subscribe, and more to come. Have a blessed day.